welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this little Temu clothing haul, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I'm hopping on to do another Temu clothing haul to show you two items that I got. They did not arrive on time. This video is not sponsored, but I just wanted to throw that out there that if they don't arrive on time, Temu gives you $5 credit back. And I have not been posting videos because I had gotten really sick and ended up in the ER twice. I'm on the mend. I had an allergic reaction to a medicine and then went there, got help in the ER. Then they gave me a medicine through my IV that would kind of make me sleepy, kind of help. And I was allergic to that, so I had to go back. It was just awful. I couldn't sit, I couldn't sleep. The second night, I couldn't sit, I couldn't sleep, I couldn't sit. It was awful. So, away I go back at 3 a.m. the next morning. And all this started on my birthday of all days. But I'm very thankful that I'm on the mend. So, these came while I was sick. They came like 6 days past. So, but I have ordered from Temu before and they've come before the time has said. They have come on the day, so they're pretty good about delivering, but they do give you credit if it's past. And when you do get the credit, it will send you an email saying you have 48 hours. Well, I totally spaced it because I was so sick that I didn't get to use it, but it was totally fine. So I found these two pants. They're like cargo leggings, and I thought they were really cute. They were very affordable, cheap. I don't have a link. This video is not sponsored at all. I'm just coming on here to show you. These were like around $6. And you know how like you click on something and then you scroll down a little bit after you're done looking at that product? Well, these showed up, and these ones are tummy control pant, cargo pant leggings. I think I have not even opened these up, so I don't even know what they look like, but they look pretty cute. I like the gray better than the charcoal gray, better than the blue, but I don't know, I might end up loving this. So I got true to size. I got a size medium in the legging. It just depends on what store I'm at. The sizing can be different. Like Maurice's is way different. Like in their tops, I can wear an extra small to an extra large. It just depends on the type of clothing. And usually I wear a medium in their leggings, a medium short. When I did look these up, wow, look at the back. I didn't even know they had pockets on the back. So this is what the back looks like. They kind of remind me of a jegging, but they're leggings. They're super cute. I really like these. And I think they're high-waisted too, and they're very stretchy. So I might do an update on them. So this is the blue pair, and then this is the gray pair. I should have, on this one where I got the gray one, these were like under $7 too, which isn't bad at all, very affordable. they had different colors. They had charcoal gray, they had yellow, they had pink, all sorts of colors. So, opening this up, and then I will back up so that you guys can see. These also have pockets, and I'm pretty sure I got a medium in this size too. So, I don't know, hopefully these are stretchy, and they're like cargo on the front. I just like the front because I like, when I'm working out, I like to tend, or like walking or something, I like to put my phone in my pocket, so that way, like, it's easy to reach. So that's why I wanted the blue ones, but then I found these, and the back is the same too. So I will be trying these on, and I am going to do a small video, like a reel, over on my Instagram. So you guys might want to check out my Instagram. There's a link in my about on my YouTube. You can click there and follow me there. I do a lot more clothing, makeup, hauls, and videos than I do here on YouTube. I have some time to myself if I'm not laying around doing nothing, because I have a little bit of time, no appointments or anything like that. So until after Christmas. So, which is nice because I'm still on the mend. So this is like actually my first day doing a video, probably in like, well, I did a video this morning for my makeup, and then this one. So I did two probably in the last month, which is kind of bad. So usually I'm up and going, but things happened, and hopefully I'm on the mend. I don't have any links for you because I just don't. I'm not sponsored by Temu at all. So I just wanted to come on and show you what I got before I just want to wear them. So thanks for watching. Please like this video. Please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so that way you'll be notified first come, first serve for my new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas.